The Round Table. King Arthur wanted to have a castle for his court. He asked Merlin to make a strong castle on the top of the hill. Merlin made magic, and a week later the king, his helpers and servants, came to live in Camelot Castle. It was a real wonder. The castle was big and white with wonderful towers. Inside there was the great hall, the dining hall, the kitchen, and the rooms of all Arthur's knights. Then came time when King Arthur decided to marry. He asked his good friend Merlin for his advice. A king should have a wife. The kingdom needs a queen. Is there any lady that you love? Said Merlin. Yes, the Lady Guinevere, the daughter of King Leodegrance. I love her, the most beautiful lady in the world. Will you go to her father and tell him that I want to marry Guinevere? King Leodegrance was happy to hear the news. This is the best news I have heard, he said. I am proud that such a noble and brave king as King Arthur wants to marry my daughter. I will send him a present, the great Round Table. Arthur's father gave it to me many years ago. 150 knights can sit around it. I hope Arthur will like it. And so Merlin returned to King Arthur's castle with Guinevere and the Round Table. King Leodegrance also sent 100 knights to serve Arthur and take place at the Round Table. King Arthur was very happy to see Guinevere in his castle. He also asked Merlin to choose 50 noble knights for the Round Table. In a short time, Merlin found 46 of the bravest knights in Britain. Soon the wedding day came, and the archbishop came to Camelot to marry King Arthur and Lady Guinevere. All the people of the kingdom were invited to the wedding party. After the wedding service, Arthur asked the archbishop to bless each seat at the Round Table. Then the knights took their seats at the Round Table, but 4 seats were empty. When Arthur and Guinevere came into the hall, Merlin asked the knights to stand and bow to their king and queen. As the knights did so, gold letters appeared on each chair. Each chair had the name of the knight who sat on it. Let me tell you the wonders of the Round Table, said Merlin. At this table all men are equal. No one sits at the head. When a knight is killed in the battle, a new knight will take his place. His name will also be written on the chair. The names of all knights who sit at King Arthur's table will live on forever. But what about the empty seats? Asked King Arthur. One place is for the Black Knight, said Merlin. You will soon meet him in a fight. Then he'll take his place at this table. 2 more are for the brave knights who have not come yet. This one is the perilous seat. The best knight must take it. All knights listened to Merlin carefully, and no one asked him who the best knight was. Then King Arthur spoke to his knights as they sat at their table. Promise never to act unfairly. Promise always to show mercy to those who ask for it. Behave well towards women. Don't fight without good reason or for money and gold. If you break your promise, you will lose your place at the Round Table.